नमः ॐ विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने. I offer my respectful obeisances unto His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna, having taken shelter at his lotus feet. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pacharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarine. Our respectful obeisances are unto you, O spiritual master, servant of Saraswati Goswami. You are kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya Deva and delivering the Western countries, which are filled with impersonalism and voidism. Namo Mahabadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Tvishe Nama. O most magnificent incarnation, you are Krishna himself, appearing as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You have assumed the golden color of Srimati Radharani, and you are widely distributing pure love of Krishna. We offer our respectful obeisances unto you. Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagaddithaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Nama. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Krishna, the worshipable deity for all Brahminical men. He is a well-wisher of cows and brahmanas, and is always benefiting the whole world. I offer my repeated obeisances to the personality of Godhead known as Krishna and Govinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. I offer my obeisances to Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhara, Sri Vasa, and all others in the line of devotion. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Madhya Leela, Chapter 25, Text 265. Krishna Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Prema Tattva, Sara, Bhava Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Leela Tattva, Ara. Krishna consciousness means understanding the truth of Krishna, the truth of devotional service, the truth of love of Godhead, the truth of emotional ecstasy, the truth of transcendental mellows, and the truth of the pastimes of the Lord. Madhya Leela, Chapter 24, Text 184. Rishi Keshe Rishi Kani Yasya Stairya Gatani Hi Saiva Dhairyam Apnoti Samsare Jiva Chanchale. In this material world, All living entities are disturbed due to their flickering position. A devotee, however, is fixed in the service of the lotus feet of the Lord, the master of the senses. Such a person is to be considered situated in endurance and patience. Madhya Leela, Chapter 20, Text 142. Daridriya nasha bhavakshaya premera phalanaya prema sukha bhoga mukhya prayojanahaya. The goal of love of Godhead is not to become materially rich or free from material bondage. The real goal is to be situated in devotional service to the Lord and to enjoy transcendental bliss. Adi Leela, Chapter 8, Text 26. Eka Krishna Name Kare Sarva Papa Nasha Premera Karna Bhakti Karena Prakasha. Simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra without offenses vanquishes all sinful activities. Thus pure devotional service, which is the cause of love of Godhead, becomes manifest. Antya Leela, Chapter 4, Text 191. Prabhu kahe Vaishnava deha prakrita kabhu naya aprakrita deha bhaktera chid ananda maya. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, the body of a devotee is never material. It is considered to be transcendental, full of spiritual bliss. Madhya Leela, Chapter 24, Text 182. Krishna Bhakta Dukha Hina Vanchantara Hina Krishna Prema Seva Purnananda Pravina. A devotee of Krishna is never in a miserable condition, nor does he have any desire other than to serve Krishna. He is experienced and advanced. He feels the transcendental bliss of love of Krishna and always engages in his service in full perfection. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare